Have you ever wondered how to get the best responses from your AI tools? Well, here's the secret. It's all about politeness. Recent research from Waseda University and the Riken Center for Advanced Intelligence Project has shown that being polite to AI can improve response quality by 80 to 90%. That's right, simply saying please and thank you can make all the difference. Let's break it down. Researchers tested various large language models, like those used in ChatGPT, with different levels of politeness. They found that moderately polite prompts, around a 7 out of 8 on the politeness scale, yielded the best results. For instance, asking, "Could you please write a summary for the following article? Please write 2 or 3 sentences," resulted in more accurate and detailed responses. But here's the kicker. Being overly polite, like an 8 out of 8, wasn't as effective. It's all about finding that sweet spot of politeness. Dr. Henry Shevlin from the Center for the Future of Intelligence at Cambridge University even confirmed these findings, calling it a significant breakthrough. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're using AI for business or personal projects, training yourself and your team to use polite prompts can dramatically improve the quality of AI output. And it's not just text-based AI. A Google research team found that using encouraging language like "take a deep breath and work on this problem step by step" enhanced AI's performance in solving math problems. This rise of prompt engineers who specialize in crafting effective prompts highlights the importance of precise wording. So next time you're working with an AI, remember, a little politeness goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be nice to your AI.